Welcome to 2050, a world transformed by technology and the relentless march of progress. Brace yourself for a glimpse into the future, where the line between humanity and machines blurs, and cyberpunk dreams become a tangible reality. In this hyper-connected world, augmented reality is woven seamlessly into our daily lives. With a mere thought, we interact with a virtual overlay that enhances our perception of reality. Information flows effortlessly, empowering us with instant knowledge and connecting us in ways we never thought possible. Robotics and artificial intelligence have reached new heights, revolutionizing industries and transforming the workforce. Intelligent machines handle routine tasks, allowing humans to focus on creativity and innovation. But this progress comes with its own challenges. A network of autonomous drones fills the skies, revolutionizing logistics and transportation. While it brings convenience, concerns about privacy and security have intensified. Corporations and governments have unprecedented access to personal data, leading to a delicate balance between progress and individual freedoms. The field of medicine has made astonishing leaps. Surgical robots perform intricate procedures with unparalleled precision, saving countless lives. Genetic engineering and advanced pharmaceuticals push the boundaries of what it means to be human, providing cures and enhancements previously unimaginable. In response to environmental crises, sustainable energy solutions have become the norm. Solar panels, wind farms, and advanced battery technologies power our cities, offering a glimmer of hope for a brighter future. Eco-friendly architecture and vertical gardens transform urban landscapes, merging nature and technology. As we step into the cyberpunk future of 2050, the impact on humanity is a double-edged sword. We possess incredible power to shape our world, but we must tread carefully, guarding against the dangers of unchecked technological progress. The key lies in our ability to find balance, harnessing the potential while safeguarding our values. The future is in our hands. Will we rise to the occasion and create a safer, brighter world? Only time will tell.